Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 Essential that we have for sale. This one is featuring a 3.0 liter twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. It's built on a balanced rear-wheel drive platform. In fact, the Q50 shares its same platform with the Nissan 370Z, and the new Nissan Z that just came out still shares its platform with the Q50. Advanced Frontmanship platform has been used on Infiniti products for over 20 years. It also was used in the first Z product that was reintroduced in the early 2000s. I'll tell you more about the Advanced Frontmanship platform. It has lots of cool benefits. If you're in the market for a sport luxury sedan, the Q50 is a great choice. Built and assembled in Japan, it features outstanding build quality and durability. Luxurious, fun to drive. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got its first major facelift. The Q50 was a new product for 2014. And in 2018, it got its first exterior and interior revision. And pretty much it looks almost identical to a 2022 or even a 2023 Q50. They haven't made too many updates on it since 2018 visually. This one features a nice leather interior, great color combination, and stone white on stone leatherette. We have a moonroof, nice interior wood trim, 7-speed automatic transmission. Also has a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, you push it to the left, you push up to upshift, you pull back to downshift. It'll give you rev match downshift for a sportier sound and feel. We have a heated seats, heated steering wheel. We have a navigation package, rear parking camera. We also have a drive mode selector that'll make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, steering effort, traction, stability control settings. You have snow, eco, standard, sport, and you can also personalize it. We have 49,367 miles at the time of making this video. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes. Feels very nice in your hands. It's also leather wrapped. And then we have a dual display system. In fact, when the Q50 first came out in 2014, it was the first vehicle of its kind to have a dual display system like this. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can actually also access the drive mode selector here as well. Kind of personalize it, drill down a little bit deeper if you wish to do so. All right, let's talk about the Advanced Frontmanship platform that this Q50 is built on. Some of the sportiest Infinitis we've seen over the last 20 years have been built on this platform, and of course, the Nissan Z, since it was reintroduced in early 2000s, has been built on the same Advanced Frontmanship platform as well. The reason why they call it the Advanced Frontmanship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. It's almost like a mid-engine vehicle. You can see that the engine almost completely behind the front axle, giving it close to 50-50 weight distribution as possible for excellent handling and performance. Generally, rear-wheel drive platform is a little bit more balanced for handling and driving dynamics. That's why a lot of sports cars, a lot of race cars are either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And even though the Q50 is considered compact, a decent amount of interior space, I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I still have a decent amount of legroom and headroom back here in the rear seat. This Q50 has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. And for the engine, again, it's a twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower, plenty of power, very fast, very fun to drive, very luxurious. Thank you for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon and have a wonderful day.